Sleep is one of the most important functions of our bodily systems and one of the most neglected ones. All of us know that we need to sleep well to have a healthy lifestyle. However, most of us neglect sleep. We don't sleep on time. We go late to sleep. We get up early. We get disturbed during sleep with multiple phone calls. And ultimately, over a long time, we get what is called as POC, sleep deprivation, which seriously affects our health and ultimately leads to some chronic diseases which run in our families. But because of our poor sleep quality, they start affecting us much early in our life. When we talk of sleep, we divide sleep into two types of sleep called non-REM sleep and REM sleep, REM or non-REM. In rapid eye movement sleep, your body will be completely relaxed. However, your eyeballs will be moving. If somebody watches you when you are having REM sleep, they will see your eyeballs are continuously moving inside your eyelid. Your eyelids are closed, but your eyeballs are moving. Non-REM sleep is important for relaxation. REM sleep is very important for cognitive improvement, for improvement of your memory intelligence. So if you don't have good quality of sleep, both non-REM and REM, it will ultimately lead to not only a poor quality of life, but also poor quality of memory and cognitive defects. So REM sleep is very important, and most of us require 25% of our sleep cycle as REM sleep, typically meaning if you're sleeping 8 hours a day, 2 hours will be REM sleep.